Oh, it's recording. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm doing my best to keep this steady on my selfie stick because I just got a gimbal, trying to also remember to look at the lens. Okay. Just got a gimbal and it's not working. Like, I don't like it. Anyways, the point of this video is we're just doing a quick apartment tour because I'm going to live the van life and I have a few months until my lease is up. So I'm going to walk you guys through pretty much every step of the way. So I wanted to just do a quick apartment tour, before I start having to get rid of things, because I legit just want to show you guys the entire process of what it actually takes to move out of your apartment or wherever you're living, if you're considering van life or RV life or whatever. I've lived in an RV twice at this point. So, with my ex-husband, and then I traveled a lot with my ex-boyfriend. So, anyways, now I'm here in my little apartment, but I thought really to, be able to travel and save money. And it just makes sense in every aspect for myself. Being a single girl now, I just have 2 dogs. So it's like, why not? It literally makes no sense to keep paying $2,000 a month in rent, especially when I'm, doing other things and investing and trying to get other businesses going. It's like, it's just, rent is just not, for me, not making sense. And, just the fact you can travel and go see places, and it's like, what better time than now while I'm single with just my dogs? So, anyways, let's get on with the tour, shall we? So, and I'll just walk you through what I'm thinking, but so that's why I got the gimbal, was to keep the camera steady while I walk around, but the gimbal thing's like worse than this. So just bear with me, okay? So anyways, here we walk in is the front door, and I've got, ignore the boxes. There's my mirror, gonna have to sell that. My shoe bench, gonna have to sell that. Okay, my little laundry, washer and dryer. It came with the washer and dryer. But I've got my little island bar. Ignore that it's kind of messy right now. And that's the other thing, is I really just want to get rid of all of this clutter. It's like, why have all this clutter, So that's the other thing. I just feel like I'm getting really cluttered up. I've been here almost a year, buying things I don't need. I just feel like it's going to be a really good thing for me to go down to the bare minimum. Like, I don't want to live in clutter. It clutters your mind. It clutters your spirit. Clutter, you can't live in clutter. Even like the Bible talks about, don't live in clutter. So the fridge, my little whiteboard, I want to keep that if I can. Hopefully I have a little fridge in the van. A lot of the vans have little fridges. But just my kitchen, I'll probably have to get rid of things like this knife set. Just a lot. There's a lot underneath these cabinets. Lots of storage, lots of things I'm going to have to, a cooler, just a lot of things I'm going to have to figure out what to do with all this stuff. Like even up here, just things up here, Tupperware I don't never use. I mean, I got that, I think, as a wedding gift, so I probably used it just a few times. Not that I didn't cook, but I just didn't need that. We didn't travel a lot. So, my little mirror. I love this mirror, actually. I love this mirror. Obviously, that's going to have to go, either get sold or go to storage. So I'm thinking a lot of this is probably going to storage for now. But this little area here, so this area is right across from my mirror. So I call this like my selfie background or whatever when I make videos or take selfies. This is what you can see. But I do love this little shelf, and I love the mirror here. But yeah, so I don't know how I'm supposed to do these log videos, if I'm supposed to have B-roll or what, but I'll work on it. Okay, I'll work on it for van content. But So this is the living room, and here's my big couch. I'm thinking of just selling the couch. I got it off Facebook Marketplace. It wasn't that expensive. You know, it was good for a year. It was a really good deal, actually. And it's a nice couch. And I'm really thinking just get rid of that. I really don't even need 2 couches. I mean, no one's ever here. It's just me and the dogs. So it doesn't even make sense to have 2 couches. That's the other thing. It's like I just feel like I'm very blessed, but I have more than I need, more space than I need, more clutter than I need. The more space you have, the more clutter you end up getting. And it's just like, why? But I might keep this one in a storage for a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. I also got that one off Facebook Marketplace for a really good deal. So it's like the TV maybe put in storage. I'm not sure how long I want to do the van life yet, you know, because from an RV, I loved the RV, but that's a lot different, I'm sure, than living in a tiny little van. But I want something that I can drive, that I can get away with, you know, parking and being discreet, or they call it stealth camping. So, and then up here's like my little shelf that it's like I bought all these cute little decorations from Hobby Lobby and got this shelf put up. And again, no one's ever here. No one ever sees it. Nobody cares. It's like, why even have all this stuff for no one to see and no one to care? I wasted money. You know, I just feel like this will be a good exercise for mindfulness, just to help be more mindful of your spending, your habits. You know, what are we doing? What are we really doing? The ultimate gift is just life. And that's what I want, is just to get out and experience life. Like, just experience life, you know? And then this, I got off Amazon. It's got one of those LED light strips on the back, so it lights up. But again, no one sees it. No one cares. I don't even really like how this ended up working out in this room. So more decorations on here. There's a fly. More decorations on there. I'll probably will keep my books. That is something I want to keep, but that's something I just need to go through my whole apartment and see, what am I getting rid of? What am I storing? And then out here, I've just got like my patio set and my little light up tree that's really pretty. Got a fan because I live in Florida and it's hot, but I love it. I would not change living in Florida. So hopefully you're bearing with me. It's a small apartment, so we should be getting pretty well quickly through it. But we just walked into my bedroom. So I do love this bedroom. I love this bedroom. This is like my princess palace, I call it. So I don't know. This is going to be probably the hardest part of everything. My podcast light, because I was working on a podcast and things just started moving so quickly. I move very quickly, and I probably have some ADHD. But my dresser here, I love this dresser. My little TV, I don't know what I can do with that, if I need to store that. My little perfume and sunglasses holder. But I do love this bedroom. I love these curtains. They're like velvet pink curtains. And this little velvet ottoman, love this thing. Love that. And then like my little desks. I see people with desks in their van, so maybe I can make that work somehow, like a pop-up desk on the bed. This is a mirror jewelry box that I do love. Got off Amazon again. Don't know what I would do with that in a van. That's gonna have to go in storage or sell. I'm not sure, but I'm sure there's tons of jewelry in there I need to get rid of, because I don't even wear jewelry that much. I'm honestly not much of a jewelry person. So here we are in the restroom. Sorry if the lighting flips. I'm not great with technology and camera work and all that. So we're doing good to have this setup we have right now. But yeah, this is the bathroom. So really it's going to be like storage stuff is the problem. So under here, like storage, you know, hair products, just way too much stuff. Just stuff I don't need and I don't use that much. I mainly use this top drawer and this middle drawer is my makeup, and that's about it. So the real problem, we're getting to the real problem now. Going to be this closet. This is going to be the real problem here. So yeah, I've got all that, and then I've got full of clothes and shoes, you know, bras, sorry, whatever. I've got my old scrubs up here and my hats and more shoes, and up here bags, shoes, you know, you name it. And then behind the door, got stuff hanging there. Selfie light, my yoga mat. I will need my yoga mat somewhere, somehow, I'm sure, in the van. But yeah, and then this whole cabinet here behind me is more storage. So just things I'm gonna have to figure out and start getting rid of. But I just wanted to do a quick apartment tour before I start tearing my apartment apart and getting rid of things and selling things and storing things and putting things away. So yeah, I just wanted to go through this kind of to show you the full process of what this really is going to take, but also let me get to a spot I can kind of have better lighting. But yeah, I wanted to do this just kind of to show you the full process, but also kind of just to have in my memories. So I don't know, I feel like this is kind of crazy. Oh yeah, my big tree, got to figure out what to do with that. But I don't know, I feel like it's crazy, but I feel like it just makes too much sense not to take this step. Like, it's a big crazy step, but it makes too much sense. And like the time in my life, timing, financially, just all of it. Being able to travel, you know, just having the freedom. You can have your house with you everywhere you go. You'll never forget anything. So yeah, I don't know. It's crazy and scary and exciting and all the things, but I don't know. I just want to take you on this journey with me, and we'll just see how it all progresses. So this is it. Like, I'm serious. I'm doing this. I'm posting this. I'm holding myself accountable, and I will walk through it with you guys of, you know, me looking up vans, just the whole process, everything I'm doing. I'm going to trade in my car for a van, and then, you know, if I have to have a little bit of a down payment more or whatever, I'd like to buy it outright if I can get that to work out. But, you know, I'll keep you guys posted how it works out. If you're interested in like seeing what the steps are and what it really takes to go from, you know, switching out your apartment for a tiny home basically on wheels, a little van, right? So yeah, okay, that's it. I don't know, let me know your thoughts, let me know your comments down below. So I don't know, maybe I'll go through too and like link this stuff, some of the stuff I've gotten off Amazon. I can leave it in the comments or in my link tree or something. So I don't know, I'll figure that out. But yeah, it's a big scary step, but I don't know, I'm ready. I'm just ready for a change, you know. It's like, what am I doing just sitting here? I don't like the area I'm in. I came to Florida to be by the beach, and I like, it's so far to the beach, I never even go to the beach. So, you know, that'll be another bonus with the van. But I have heard van life is a lot harder in Florida. So I don't know. I'll just keep you guys posted. You guys can live vicariously through me and learn through me. And again, I'm sorry if this video is shaky. I'm trying to be still. I don't know the proper way to like do all this, but I'll get better over time. So, okay, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you done van life before? Any tips or tricks? You know, I appreciate that. So, okay, I don't know. Thanks for watching, and I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, love you. Bye.